The Masia we're showing you today is this almost irresistible piece of art. I know, maybe because I'm Catalan, I do cling so much to this type of constructions. I wonder if any other countries do have the same feeling for the traditional old houses, because they exude spiritual and emotional intensity. They are alive. So this example is refurbished completely in 1919, and you can see some of the details actually going back to that time. For instance, this modernistic entry with all these ironsmith works in here, which is just fabulous, has 2 independent apartments. So actually you can even figure out to create 3 different units out of this Masia. And one of the things I like the most is that it has so much of a flat terrain, and currently is being used as an equestrian land. I'm here just thinking I'm surrounded by chickens, by beautiful horses eating my bread, and just thinking this is only a few minutes by car to Sitges and the beach. Truly amazing.